Hey guys, I'm Paul from Contract Renovation to Custom Homes and the host of The Art of Renovation. Today I want to show you a few cool upgrades you can add to really class up your kitchen. We'll start off with the hardware on these cabinets. So take a look at these handles. They have a nice decorative brass handle and it would be considered an upgrade. It's not going to break the bank. You know, it might add hundreds of dollars to your overall project, but in this case it really gives a nice elegant look. It ties in well with the lighting they've selected as well, so that's a great thing to consider when you're picking your hardware, is what might tie in with that. So that kind of works as a team. Also, if you're thinking about doing a subway tile, this is a great way to kind of upgrade it a little bit without, again, being terribly expensive. You go from a standard subway tile to something like this with a nice beveled edge. It really adds some nice texture and some depth and just gives it a bit of extra punch as far as the design impact is concerned. So consider that when selecting your tile products. Also here you can see with the appliance package, they've opted for a nice black stainless steel finish. It's a very elegant way to showcase the appliances in a subtle way. It's not very common yet in the marketplace, so I think it's a really smart choice design-wise. It works really well with this kitchen design, and I personally I love the black stainless steel. So give that a look when you're out at the store looking for your appliance package. Consider your options. It doesn't always have to be white, black, or just classic stainless steel. There's other things out there you can consider. Also then, if you take a look at the faucet here in this island, it's truly a beautiful faucet. Again, we see faucets that are installed that range from a couple $100 up to $1,500 plus. So you kind of determine what your spend will be, but give some thought to the faucet because it becomes really a nice showpiece. Yeah, it's a very practical piece, but also in this case it's very beautiful, kind of like a work of art. So consider that when selecting your fixtures. There really can be that little extra bit that pushes your design to the next level. Other things to consider: if you've incorporated floating shelves and storage in your kitchen, you can add some lighting within those items, and again, makes that useful task lighting, helps to display and highlight what you have stored, and doesn't have to be an expensive upgrade, but it makes a big difference as far as making it stand out. If you have any questions for us, please leave them in the comments. I am Paul from The Art of Renovation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.